welcome back to Boxwood Avenue. If this is your first time here, my name is Chloe. I write a blog called Boxwood Avenue where I share recipes, interior design, and just simple tips for wholesome living. I'm so excited that you're here. Today we are going to make homemade candles, and if you've never made homemade candles before, it's really one of the easiest things you can do. All you have to do is melt down some wax, pour it into a mold, and then let it solidify. It's really easy. Let's get started. So I've got 4 cups of beeswax measured out here. You can melt this over a double boiler or on the stove top, but honestly, it's just so much easier to use a microwave. Okay, we've got our candle wax melted. This is really hot, so be really careful. I have a hot pad down on my counter, and then I'm using a little rag to hold onto the handle because it's very, very hot. To set my wick into the candle, I'm going to dip the metal part of my wick in the wax, just a little bit of it. And then I'm going to place it down right where I want it, and it will stick just enough before you pour in so that when you pour in the wax, your candle wick isn't going all wobbly. So that's stuck. And then I've got skewers here, and you can use pencils or pens, anything. I just have these skewers handy. But I'm going to put a skewer on either side of my wick and tape them together just like this, so that way my wick stands up straight when I pour it. And thread my wick right through and pull it up tight. So you can see now the candle wick is high and tight, and it's not going to float around when I pour the candle. If you like this apron as much as I do, it's available now for purchase in our shop, and I'll put that link below too. They are also a great gift for the holidays. Now you can either pour your wax and then do different essential oils in each candle, or you can pour your essential oils in, stir it up, and then pour the same flavor candle blend into each candle. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do some orange and some spruce and just a little bit of clove. Okay, I layered down some parchment paper just in case I spill, and we're gonna pour. So I'm gonna wait to trim my wick until after this hardens because it's hot now and that wick will just come right up if you touch it. Not saying I learned that from experience. So we'll set this aside and wait for it to harden. Our candles have turned out so cute. They're solid now. We can remove this little wick stabilizer, and you'll see my wick is way too long. So I'm going to just trim it down about the same height as the level of the glass. These are actually glass jars that you can preserve in. I've preserved a few things in them, but I think they're just so cute to use for gifts like sugar scrubs or candles. These look like something you could buy at any gift shop or any store, and you made them yourself. Non-toxic because they're made with essential oil fragrance, so you don't have to worry about any toxic fragrances going into your home or your friends' homes. And to finish these off, we're going to use these cute little gift tags. My friend Camille from Amber's Artistry painted these for us. I'll make these available. I'll put a link in the comments. But these are just so cute. I'm going to cut a few and we'll use them to finish off these candles. Our homemade candles are all done. It was such an easy project. If you've never made homemade candles before, I encourage you to give it a try because it's so easy. Just melt the wax, pour it into your mold. These cute gift tags, I think, just make this that much cuter, and I'm really excited to share them with you. I hope that you give this project a try this holiday season, and if you do, be sure to tag me on Instagram. I'm at Boxwood Avenue. For more homemade gift ideas, be sure to visit me at boxwoodavenue.com. Thanks so much for joining.